The KC-135 Stratotanker, a cornerstone of the United States Air Force, has been a vital asset for over 6 decades. This jet-powered aerial refueling tanker extends the range and endurance of military aircraft, enabling global missions that define modern air power. Today we explore the aircraft, its crew, and its evolving role in the Air Force. Developed by Boeing in the 1950s, the KC-135 emerged from the same prototype as the iconic Boeing 707 airliner. Its first flight took place in August 1956, and by June 1957, the Stratotanker entered service. The Air Force initially ordered 29 aircraft, but the fleet grew to 820 across various models, with 732 designated as tankers. Powered by 4 turbofan engines mounted under swept wings, the KC-135 can reach speeds of 530 miles per hour and carry up to 200,000 pounds of fuel. This fuel, stored in wing and fuselage tanks, is transferred mid-flight through a flying boom, a telescoping tube controlled by a boom operator stationed at the aircraft's rear. The crew of a KC-135 typically consists of 4 members: a pilot, co-pilot, navigator, and boom operator. The pilot and co-pilot manage flight operations from a modernized cockpit, equipped with digital displays and advanced navigation systems, including GPS and satellite communications. The navigator ensures precise routing, critical for rendezvous, with receiver aircraft at exact coordinates and altitudes. The boom operator, lying prone at the aircraft's tail, uses a control stick to guide the boom into a receptacle on the receiving aircraft, transferring fuel at rates up to 500 pounds per minute. This process, known as aerial refueling, demands skill and coordination, often performed at 30,000 feet while both aircraft maintain formation at high speeds. Aerial refueling is the KC-135's primary mission. It supports a wide range of aircraft, from fighters like the F-16 to bombers like the B-52, and even cargo planes such as the C-17. The Stratotanker's ability to refuel multiple aircraft during a single mission enhances the Air Force's flexibility, allowing planes to remain airborne longer or reach distant targets without landing. Beyond refueling, the KC-135 can carry up to 83,000 pounds of cargo or 37 passengers, using a deck above the fuel tanks. This dual role as a tanker and transport makes it a versatile asset in both combat and humanitarian operations. The KC-135 has seen action in every major U.S. military operation since the Vietnam War. During the Gulf War, Stratotankers flew around-the-clock missions, enabling coalition aircraft to maintain air superiority. More recently, they've supported operations in Afghanistan and Iraq, refueling aircraft over vast distances. The aircraft's adaptability extends to joint operations with NATO allies, with some KC-135s equipped with hose and drogue systems to refuel Navy and international aircraft that use a probe-based method instead of the Air Force's boom system. Despite its age, the KC-135 remains a workhorse due to continuous upgrades. The Block 45 program, completed in recent years, replaced analog instruments with digital cockpits, improving reliability and situational awareness. The fleet's original Pratt & Whitney J57 engines were swapped for CFM56 engines, the same type used on commercial Boeing 737s. These engines boost efficiency and power, ensuring the aircraft can operate into the 2040s. As of 2025, the Air Force maintains approximately 350 KC-135s managed by Air Mobility Command, with additional aircraft flown by Air Force Reserve and Air National Guard units. The Stratotanker's longevity has prompted discussions about its future. The Air Force is gradually introducing the Boeing KC-46 Pegasus, a newer tanker based on the 767 airframe. The KC-46 offers enhanced capabilities, including greater fuel capacity and advanced defensive systems. As of late 2024, nearly 120 KC-46s are in service, with plans to acquire 179 by 2027. However, the KC-135's replacement is not a one-for-one swap. A congressional mandate requires the Air Force to maintain at least 466 refueling aircraft, meaning the Stratotanker will remain operational for years to come. Looking ahead, the Air Force is exploring next-generation tankers under the Next Generation Air Refueling System, or NGS. This program aims to develop a stealthy, possibly unmanned tanker capable of operating in contested environments against advanced adversaries. Concepts like Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works NGAS and Jet Zero's blended wing body design are under consideration, with potential service entry in the mid-2030s. In March 2025, Air Mobility Command indicated that the KC-135 fleet might receive another service life extension to operate beyond 2050, potentially reaching 90 years of service for some airframes. Studies are ongoing to assess costs and benefits, focusing on fuel efficiency, maintenance, and connectivity. Upgrades like tactical data links. The KC-135's durability stems from its robust design and the Air Force's commitment to modernization. Spare parts remain plentiful, partly because the CFM56 engine is widely used in civilian aviation. Retiring older KC-135s as KC-46s arrive also creates a stockpile of components, ensuring maintenance needs are met. Specialized variants like the WC-135R Constant Phoenix, which collects atmospheric samples to monitor nuclear activity, highlight the airframe's versatility. These aircraft, recently upgraded, have no immediate replacements planned. Operating KC-135 is not without challenges. The fleet's age requires meticulous maintenance, and crews must adapt to evolving mission demands, such as refueling in contested airspace. Yet the aircraft's reliability and the crew's expertise keep it mission ready. Training for KC-135 crews emphasizes precision, with boom operators practicing on simulators to master the delicate task of connecting with receiver aircraft in turbulent conditions. The KC-135 Stratotanker embodies the Air Force's ability to adapt and innovate. From its origins in the Cold War to its role in modern conflicts, it has proven indispensable. As new technologies emerge and the Air Force plans for the future, the Stratotanker's legacy endures, a testament to engineering and the dedication of its crews. Whether refueling fighters over distant skies or delivering cargo to remote bases, the KC-135 continues to take off with full speed, ready to meet the demands of global air power.